Hey guys, alright, so stock reach, and as I had said that I added a new pendant to the stock. So I have this one, the map, the Jamaican map with the parishes on it. Then we have this one, as you can see, it's on my neck. And then we have this really nice one, the one with a little heart. And each chain each pendant comes with a necklace. I'm coming with a chain, as you call it. You get the chain. So remember, this one is for 40 and this one is for 35. Jamaica. Alright guys, so just send me a DM for the persons who already paid.